Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Here it is, Saturday again. I can't believe another week's gone by. The weather has been great though. I've been spending a lot of time working out in my yard and garden. I tried to do a video for you yesterday to show you my garden, but it was so windy that it just sounded terrible, so I'll wait for a calmer day to do that. Well, this morning I'm going to start off with a Zentangle for you, and this one's called Fireworks Swirl, and it's kind of a neat looking little pattern. And I got my coffee in hand and I'm ready to go, so let's get started. Here we have Fireworks Swirl completed. I hope you like it, and thank you for coming along with me. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again on the next video.